Usembut Menteri Gajala ubak Preston dan Song Hak Arpun Riu Tarik Risau ula ong bana kaliang ka sorkar kala betha ikinong penyak jong kata masa Shillong Cherry Blossom bakin pensdang ya kata masa hakasngi penkut kata hakasngi U Blei hadian balawai ke jingaseng kata hadian ka jingmi jong ke jing persya habakren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri ula ong lada pihakren halor kasngi U Blei ne sngi satja ne sngi thodien kidon kipor bakasngi penkut ne khatdu kajia hakasngi U Blei la ne le se kasdang hakasngi U Blei ne sngi satja ne sngi thodien ngakular syaki patba kajala bakane kamde ka bangi kwa banle hakasngi U Blei hendre kane kata masa kade ka balai sausngi bat kumta ka jering khat bakakut hakasngi U Blei Kae ka bangi rai ka long bangi ladap betha ikitu ki bapenya ya kata masa baha kane ka kella bamenta namar baka kut ha kasngi U Blei ai bakin pensdang no ya kata masa hadian kalai baje jan miet jong kasngi U Blei kata hadian bakut ki jingaseng ula benram nalor kata ula ong ru ngabu ka jingkarpat ya baro bakin ngobha ban long ki bajai jai bat ngin saya pej pat nadu usnam ban wan kumno ban khenya kisngi nang babaro kin ya kemen lang bat baro kin yo jingmentoy na kani kata masa La ban kedau bana kaliang Menteri Katana Tourism ka Sorkar Jala ubak polling do dangshan ula ong bakadan ka buit politik halendet kani ka jing persya ban penlong ya kani kata masa ha kasngi U Blei ha kabaya dei bat kani na kaliang ubak Preston ula ong bakamdan satia kanu ka jing baklaya ki breu bakin penpaw ka jing sngo halor ka phang
If you talk about Sunday or Saturday or Friday, see sometimes it happened. The last day, sometimes it happened that it ended on Sunday. Or maybe the starting, it happened Sunday or Saturday or Friday. Well, let me just assure the people of the state, this is not that we really wanted to do it during Sunday. But because this is the program of 3-4 days. So it so happened that it ended Sunday. What we decided is we have already instructed even those organizers for this time, since it is ended on Sunday, let the function start maybe after 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Sunday. Let it start by the after 3 o'clock after the church service and all. Then let again the program be started, and I would request everybody, let us be cool, calm, okay? Let us be cool, calm, and then we will see maybe from next year onwards to calculate the date accordingly, so that everybody, they are happy, everybody are also benefited out of this festival. I would like to say that this is the sentimental step, okay? Because it's so sentimental. People, I think you understand well. Here it is known as a Christian state. So some of our honorable, be it church leaders or even the members of the NGOs, they have that sentiment. Okay, they have that sentiment. I appreciate that sentiment, no doubt about it. From the government's side, I don't say it is wrong. It is right. But for this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending back, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service happened to everyone.